let's find the best place for securing your cam. We're going to talk about places that you want to avoid and ultimately land on some places that will work really well. On our side of things, we're going to screen places so that they're not too close to a highway or other sources of air pollution, like industrial facilities or a power plant. So this tree looks great. You have a really nice thick branch here. However, you'll notice that it's way too shaded and it's not going to allow that solar panel to receive enough sun over the course of 3 hours throughout the day to charge the battery. So ultimately, we don't want to use this tree because of the amount of shading. So you have this column here and it has this nice thick flat surface on top. But if you put the cam here, it's not going to be secured to anything. Somebody could come and pick it up and take it away. Also, remember that air inlet is on the bottom of the cam. So if you put it here, it's not going to be able to receive airflow that it needs. So ultimately, we want the cam to be suspended in the air. This gutter has a couple of problems. First of all, it's probably a little bit small to hold the cam. Remember, it weighs about 11 pounds. It's kind of heavy. It's also too close to this grill, and we don't want to place the cam right above or near something that's going to create artificially high levels of particulate matter. Ladder? No, we don't want to use a ladder because it could fall over and really someone could come and pick up the ladder and take away the cam. So here we have a really nice front porch, and this is one of the situations that it actually depends on what your front porch is like as to whether or not you can place the cam on it. So in this case, this column is facing north. This front porch we would want to avoid. However, if you have a porch with a column that's facing south or west and not too close to a road, you could go ahead and place your cam on a column like this. So here we have a fence, but you can see that the slats are pretty close together and it's pretty thin. I think this would be very difficult to actually place your cam on this fence. But come with me. Here we have a really nice size column or pole or fence. I think this is a great location. First of all, it's the right size. It's really strong and can securely hold the cam. There's not too much shade or anything obstructing sunlight. We can place the cam so that it's facing south or west to get lots of sun exposure. We'll be able to suspend the cam so that the air inlet receives proper airflow. And this location is not too close to the road or the grill, which you can see is all the way over there. So this is our winner.